Hi, this is Kai from Leipzig West Modules. We're here at the Superbooth 2018, and I'm asked to give you a little rundown, especially on our little adapter boards we are making for the Teenage Engineering PO series. What you see here is the PO series mounted directly into your rack with our little adapter. And it kind of gives you some additional drum sounds for your rack or samples or whatever. So you can have like some fun little extra sounds. Let me unmute the other one. So they are themselves rather self-contained, but they play well with other drum sounds. If I, for instance, give you also a hi-hat from the system or a bass drum. So you see, you can actually use them in a Eurorack with clock going in, the synchronous to the Eurorack. You can have Eurorack voltages for the trigger, and they have output buffers, though they can be louder, so they fit with the Eurorack levels. And in the case, you see the PO32 Thonk, which is a drum synthesizer with sequencer. You can upload your own sounds into it, and you can actually modulate the sounds and record those modulations as with all the others. But this is really fun now. Let me quick show you. So this is fun. Let me stop that one. Then you have the sampler that is playing some drum samples right now. You have the Speak, which is a speech synthesis module, and you have the PO12, which is another drum computer, but with fixed drum sounds that you can still edit. It sounds a bit more digital, but that can be nice too when you have actually already all the 808 and 909 sounds covered. And the PO12 is a nice choice to have some more digital sounding drum voices. As I said, with our adapter you can just mount it in the U-Rack and go with the rest. And you can close the case and go on tour. The PO series adapters are available from Thonk.co.uk and escapefromnoise.com in Sweden, and they retail for 40 euros net. They come pre-soldered or as a PCB version. When they come pre-soldered, I give you everything in a kit. It's a complete kit. All you have to do is you have to attach the PO series module yourself and then connect some wires to the PO. Or you get the PCB and you populate the PCB yourself if you are into that.